Welcome back to Bike Two Wheel World. Today, we are taking a detailed look at one of Honda's newest premium sporty scooters for 2026, the Honda Vario Evo 160. This is not simply a small update to a familiar scooter. The Evo name represents an evolution of the Vario formula, bringing sharper styling, updated equipment, and a more responsive character while keeping the practicality that has made the Vario family so popular. The 2026 Vario Evo 160 was introduced in Indonesia with a 156.9cc 4-valve plus engine, modern automatic transmission, LED lighting, digital instrumentation, Honda Smart Key technology on applicable versions, and a choice of CBS and ABS braking systems. At first glance, the Vario Evo 160 immediately looks more aggressive than an ordinary commuter scooter. Honda has concentrated on giving the bodywork a sportier, more aerodynamic appearance. The front section uses sharp lines and carefully shaped surfaces that create the impression of movement even when the scooter is standing still. The body is compact enough for urban riding, but the proportions give it a larger and more premium presence than many smaller scooters. The updated styling is one of the major reasons this scooter feels like an evolution rather than simply another model year color change. The front end is particularly important to the Vario Evo 160's personality. Instead of relying on soft, rounded shapes, Honda uses angular surfaces and a strong visual centerline. The lighting system is fully LED, covering the main lighting elements and helping the scooter maintain a modern appearance during both daytime and nighttime riding. The LED setup also contributes to the premium impression of the scooter, while the body panels are shaped to create a sense of airflow and speed. Move around to the side and the sporty character becomes even clearer. The side panels have flowing lines that connect the front bodywork to the rear section. These shapes are not just decorative, they make the scooter look longer and more aerodynamic. The riding position is designed around everyday usability, giving the rider a commanding view of city traffic while retaining the easy step-through character expected from an automatic scooter. The wheels are another noticeable element. The Vario Evo 160 uses 14-inch tubeless tires, with a 180 tire at the front and a wider 120/70 tire at the rear. Honda has also introduced a new cast wheel design and wider tire combination as part of the model's updated presentation. The larger-looking tire package gives the scooter a planted stance and contributes to its sporty appearance. At the rear, the design continues the same sharp and modern theme. The tail section is compact, while the rear bodywork provides enough visual width to balance the front. The LED rear lighting helps maintain the modern appearance, and the overall shape gives the scooter a distinctive road presence. It is the kind of scooter that can look appropriate outside a modern office, a university campus, or a busy shopping district without appearing overly large. One of the most important reasons people choose a 160 class scooter is the engine. And this is where the Vario Evo 160 has a strong argument. The scooter uses Honda's 156.9cc, 4-stroke, 4-valve plus engine. It is liquid-cooled and uses PGM-FI electronic fuel injection. For 2026, published specifications list maximum output at 11.3 kilowatts, or approximately 15.4 PS, at 8,500 revolutions per minute. While maximum torque is listed at 14.0 Newton-meters at 6,500 revolutions per minute. That torque figure is especially interesting because the updated model develops its maximum torque at a lower engine speed than the earlier Vario 160 specification. The result should be a more responsive feeling when accelerating away from traffic lights, moving through busy streets, or carrying a passenger. The engine does not need to feel like a high-revving racing machine to be enjoyable. Instead, the goal is useful acceleration combined with smooth automatic operation. The transmission is Honda's V-matic automatic system, so there is no manual clutch lever and no traditional gear-changing process for the rider. Twist the throttle and the scooter takes care of the power delivery. That makes the Vario Evo 160 particularly suited to stop-and-go city traffic. When traffic slows, the rider can concentrate on steering, braking, and positioning rather than constantly changing gears. The 160 class engine also gives the Vario Evo 160 more flexibility than a basic entry-level scooter. For everyday riding, that extra displacement can be useful when joining faster traffic, climbing moderate hills, or accelerating with a passenger. Of course, actual acceleration and top speed depend on rider weight, road conditions, wind, maintenance, fuel, and many other factors, so claimed engine output should not be confused with a guaranteed real-world speed. The engine uses a 12:1 compression ratio and liquid cooling, while Honda's S Plus technology is designed around efficiency and reduced mechanical losses. This combination is intended to provide a useful balance between performance and everyday practicality. The 5.5-liter fuel tank gives the scooter a reasonable amount of range potential, although real-world fuel economy will vary considerably depending on riding style and traffic conditions. And that is what makes this scooter interesting. It is not simply transportation. It is designed to make daily transportation feel more premium, more stylish, and more responsive. Whether you are commuting through crowded city streets, running errands, meeting friends, or simply looking for an easy-to-use scooter with the sporty personality, the Vario Evo 160 is clearly designed with that lifestyle in mind. This has been Bike 2 Wheel World, and that was our detailed look at the 2026 Honda Vario Evo 160. If you enjoyed this review, stay tuned for more motorcycle launches, specifications, comparisons, technology breakdowns, and detailed two-wheel reviews. Until the next ride, keep watching Bike 2 Wheel World and ride.